Hello people, today I will show you how to make a very good exploding tree trap. This will help you get the players that want like very close to your house. Like when you want to kill some player in your survival game, find a base with a tree. Find their base very next to a tree, like kind of next to a tree. I'm just doing this in creative mode, okay people? Alright. So this will make this when the okay, when the player touches the bottom of the tree, like chops the bottom of the tree will immediately explode in their faces. So if you really want to see this will be a very good thing to see. I'm gonna show you a demonstration how it's gonna be. Alright, let's get it started. Okay, the first thing to do is to like make on just a tree. All you need is a tree for now, and skip one block, and maybe make this 5 blocks long. So 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. Right, there we go. Sheeple, away! I'm doing a video. Right. And then do 5 blocks long. So the top one that I did was 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. This sheep is always getting in her videos. Whoops. I didn't mean to do that. Hold on. And you make it come to like right here. Where it is, like exactly right here. So where this part was ended to, we have to make it come right here. Alright people, I'm going to come here and break this. Let me just bring this along. And now you see this part of the circle is, you see this part? That's the part you have to break. Try not to break the tree. That's because you're going to need it. It's going to be the activator for the exploding tree trap. The name of the exploding tree, alright? So this is going to be amazing. I hope you're going to like it. Alright. So finish this. Alright people. And then we have to make 1 block deeper. 1 block deeper. So now we just do this. Remember, only leave the tree floating, alright? Leave the tree floating. Do not break it. Do not break the tree. We're just gonna. Oh, okay. I'm just gonna add grass there. Do not tell no one. Alright, let's see. Get the shovel again. I need a shovel. Oh wow. You could be kidding me. Alright. Get the shovel again. Where's the shovel? Where's the shovel? Where's the shovel? Oh, here it is. Alright. Or you can, I'm just gonna let it. Alright. Now where did the tree go? Oh, it's right under me. Alright. Get the redstone. Make sure it's directly under. Oh, it's bright. Alright. Make sure it's directly under the tree. Directly. Like right here. Yeah. I guess it's right here. Let me see. Yes, it is. Alright. Now add the blue wool around it. Like one right here. Like if it were connecting to it. And then one right here. And one right here. Right? and the redstone torches. Then we start getting the lever. Okay, get the lever. Get the lever and put it on. So with the swish until you see the redstone fully on. Then you get the redstone torch and put it on the sides. Oh, oops. Alright, once you did that, get out of the hole and place TNT on the side right here. Like 3 on the side. Like that. Kind of like a V shape from where you're standing too. Just do this on each corner of it, and then you'll be done. Well, not totally done, you just have to do one more step. Alright, now you put TNT everywhere on the sides. Get the kind of terrain you got, like grass. Since I got grass, I'm just gonna cover it to make it look camouflaged. And I'll show you a demonstration on how it's gonna turn out when a player literally Alright, if you see this part of the tree at the very bottom, that's where I hit it. So I'll show you a demonstration how it's gonna turn out. I'm gonna use a diamond instead. No, not a diamond. From here, the bottom one right here. Right here, this is the one that he has to break. He just breaks, and then he doesn't care what's gonna happen. He continues breaking it. See? And there you go. It actually breaks. I didn't know I added that much TNT, but there you go. So, okay then. Thank you for watching, and I hope you know how to do this. You can always use this in survival mode, and like literally. Try this in creative mode first, and try to get the hang of it. And once you're ready for it, and you make the tree explode, do it on survival mode. Alright? Thank you for watching. Make sure to leave a like, comment, and a subscribe. If there's any more suggestions you want me to do, put it in the comment. So, thank you everyone. Naruto out.